Hi guys, I'm Mcbaj, fashion and beauty photographer based in London, UK. I did pictures on my mobile phone using Snapseed and VSCO Cam, which are like a free and also paid application. But today I'll be making use of Facetune 2, and also I'll be using an application which is Lightroom Mobile. And at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to give you lot a preset, skin preset in which you can apply on your pictures. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So guys, welcome to Facetune 2. This application is best you pay for it for you to get the best use of this application. So I'm going to retouch this model skin right here. The model, her name is SA. I'll place her Instagram handle somewhere around this video. She sent me this picture, and the picture looks really nice. It looks almost neutral, but we have a couple of colors like in this picture. We have the blue, we have the red of her hair. I think that's the burgundy hair color, and the green at the background, but every other thing is more like a muted natural tone, the brown of the background and all of that. So I'm going to retouch our skin right now. I'm going to move down to the retouch column or the retouching menu on this application. You can click on the retouch. First off, I would like to remove maybe like the blemishes or acne or any of that she has on her face by clicking the EU button. So I'm going to zoom in to the picture so I can be precise and exact. Zoom in, then for you to scroll, like to drag the picture around, you use your two fingers and move the pictures around. So I'm zooming into her face right there. I'm going to use the EU button and basically just tap, clean. As you guys can see, I'm just basically touching the areas where I think got the blemishes. So right there, and you guys can see the wonders that is happening right there on the picture. Oops. So remember, you want to zoom in for it to get really precise. There. So after doing all of this on our face, I'm going to leave the EU button, or let me show you guys the before and after of this particular thing we've just done. Before after. Yeah, done. I'm going to get that done with, and I'm going to move down to the retouch again. I want to smooth in our skin. That's more like airbrushing on Photoshop. I'm going to move down to the smoother. If the application isn't paid for, you won't have the smoother option, or if it's there to request for you to pay for it if you need to use it. So I'm going to click on this smoother option and then decide to paint over my subject skin or paint over your skin. And here guys, I know you can see I'm just smoothing everywhere this time. I would rather do that, and I'll teach you guys what to do afterwards. So I'm just painting all over our skin. I'm going to pinch out, and you guys can see what's happening to the picture already. It's very evident and very pronounced right now. And I'm doing this very rough, or I'm doing this roughly just because I want to make this video really short. I don't want to take anybody's time in doing this video. So I'm gonna do this right here. After I'm done with the hands, I'm gonna paint our legs too. You guys can see how smooth the leg looks right now. Yes, and remember the second leg also right there. So guys, looking at this right there, after I've done this, because you can see I was just making a mess, I was doing like generally, I'm not going to use the eraser tool to clean off the parts where I don't want the effect to be applied. And right here, just right next to the smoother, you have the eraser. I'm going to click on the eraser, and what that does is just clean off the effect wherever you don't want it. So I'm going to come to our eyes, clean the eye pad off, clean it off the eyes, I clean it off the lashes, clean it off the nose area because that's making it look really funny, and also on our lips there. I'm going to clean off the lips. Yeah, good. So I've done that there. I think yes, that looks okay the way it is. And the best thing about this application is you could increase the intensity of your effect, or you could reduce it. The way it looks right now looks very, like, I feel it looks very pronounced, and I'm not a fan of having things looking very fake. So, but depending, it's different strokes for different folks. So you might prefer it looking very exaggerated. So you could decide to use the slider and increase it, make it look very plasticky. If that's what you want, go ahead, or you reduce it a little bit so it still look natural. So I'm just going to reduce it a little bit and press my OK. Before I press my OK button, let me show you guys the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. This is before, after. I'm going to increase it again so you guys will be able to see clearly because of YouTube compression. Before, after, before, after. Isn't that amazing, guys? Good. So I'm going to reduce it again, back, and press OK. So for this current application right now, I love it because it just does the skin work very easily. Like, you could do this and say, oh yeah, your skin is like done. Every other thing is like personal preference, which you can just play around if you want to shrink in your jaw, make all those adjustments and all of that. But I really do not touch all of this because, well, ladies, or like, I don't know, maybe like people might love to like play around this. But yeah, so for the Facetune, all I would actually do on the Facetune is fix the skin. So I'm going to hit the save button and send this picture to Lightroom for me to apply the presets I said I'll be giving you guys, so you guys can actually see how this preset is going to look on this image. This is the Lightroom interface. For you to be able to use my preset, you have to like install the preset on your phone. So after downloading the preset, as the link is in the description down below, you're going to press this plus icon here for you to create a new album. So create an album, name it preset, then press OK. Then after you've done that, you go into the album you just created and press the plus button right here for you to install the preset downloaded from anywhere you get it on your phone. So from files here, I'm going to click on the preset Toby. You're going to see the preset pop up right here, and also I'm going to click on the second preset from our files, Yume, installed right here in my application. So next thing for you to do is to click on one of the presets. Then you're going to see the three icons right in the top right corner there. You click on the icon there and do it, create presets. Then you're going to name the preset, maybe according to the name it is, or any name you prefer, Yume. Then you create a preset group, which is user presets. Create a new preset group. You could name it same Mcbaj preset and press OK. Good. So after you've done that, you press the check mark button and the preset is already created. Then you move to the second preset which I gave you guys. You press on the three icon there, create presets, name it Toby, and the preset group this time you put in the same group you created, which is Mcbaj preset, and press OK. Now you have the preset on your phone. So the next thing for you to do right now is you can use the preset anyhow you want on any picture you want to. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the all photos and import the photos we edited on Facetune 2, and this is the photo right here. As you guys can see, the skin is looking really good. Skin looks good. So I'm going to move down to my preset menu on my Lightroom, click on my preset, then look for the folder I created. You look for the preset, the folder, the group you created, sorry guys, the group you created. So it's a Mcbaj preset right here. Then now I'll just select on any preset I feel like using. I'm going to click on the Yume preset. As you guys can see, look at the preset on our skin. Our skin looks really brownish and muted tone. So mind you guys, you could decide to tweak the same preset by going to the light menu on your application. Click on the light menu, then you could decide to increase exposure if it's too dark, increase contrast. Just play around this preset. That's the first preset. Then if you know you want to use the second preset, you could, let me reset this, or quick one, let me show you the before and after, guys. So looking at this image right here, clicking on the before and after, before and after for the first preset. Then the second preset, this is it, before, after. So that brings me to the end of my video today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the preset. So guys, if you like today's video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification icon to get notified as I drop new videos weekly. So if you like the preset, kindly give me a shout on my Instagram at timmcbaj visuals, or just tag me and make me see the pictures you're going to like create alongside using this preset. And the preset is for free. The link is down in the description below, and cheers guys.